So the first one's called Tree Portal. Now for all these videos you're going to be wanting to shoot horizontal. Make sure you've got your phone set up horizontal, preferably on a tripod or somewhere flat where your phone isn't going to move. What you're going to want to do for this one is record 2 different videos. You're going to record one video where you're walking up to the tree and then walking back from the tree. And then you're going to record another video where you're walking up to the tree and then walking straight past the tree. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go into our Filmora app and find our first video and just import that video. We're then going to find our start point. We're going to use our split tool and then delete the section before our start point. Okay, we're then going to go to our PIP icon. PIP means picture in picture. And we're going to go and find our second video and import that onto our timeline. We're then going to go and find the start point for that video. We'll use the split tool to make a cut and we'll delete all the video before that part. Then by using our fingers to pinch, we're going to make more of the timeline visible so we can line up the start point of our second video where we want it on top of the first video. So just as my head's popping back from behind the tree, we want to bring our second video clip and line it up there. Okay, so when we've done this, you can see that the second video clip is slightly smaller than the first video clip. What we want to do is make the second video the same size as the first video. Now they do need to be exactly the same for this effect to work best. Then we're going to do the actual masking. So we're going to make sure that the second video is selected and we are going to find our mask tool, click on that, and then it will give you options for different masking styles. For this one we're just going to choose rectangle. And then it's just a case of dragging the rectangle using the tree as the dividing line. Okay, and there we go. There's me jumping out of the tree. That works. Then you're just going to find the end point for each video, use your split tool, delete the end, go to export, and then save your video or share it to social media. And that's how you use the masking tool to create a tree portal effect in FilmoraGo. So that's it for this one, guys. 3 really cool masking effects that you guys can try in FilmoraGo. I'll catch you in the next video.